Hello guys, and welcome in today's episode. So these are the works that have been done today to the bathroom. They placed some foam inside the, let's say, the plumbing canals. That will be the where all the water will leak away. And the walk-in shower, all the let's say the components of the shower have arrived. I'm really tired after this night. The past night I haven't slept at all. After I saw how they made the connections to the debris, one of the debris filters in a Y shape. I really don't know what to say anymore. I mean, yeah, maybe I'm just tired. It seems like it's offset. I mean, even that isn't installed in the most fortunate way. Yeah, I don't know what to say. Maybe it's just something temporary. For sure, they will have to break this concrete furthermore. This concrete. And I'll see exactly how this will stay. Considering this, if I recall right, has 60 centimeters long, and the entire thing should have at least 20 centimeters, so it needs to be taken a bit further more to the right, and maybe then it will be on the center. Hopefully all will be good, because I really spent a fortune. But what I liked is the fact that this shower equipment came from Poland really fast, faster than I would have expected. It took like a week the most, and it was here. And I paid for it less than I would have paid if I would have purchased it straight from a seller in Romania. So yeah, this is about it. You see here all the sewage. It's starting to come together. Another foam right there. And yeah, this was what I was talking about. Yeah, they replaced the pipes, but just look how he placed the Y filter. So as you can see, this is where the water comes back in the combi boiler. So the water moves from down up. This is the water flow, like you can see right there on that arrow. How can the debris get here if the gravity pulls it down? How can anything stay there? It's the only way when you can place vertically this filter. It's if the water flow is on the other way, and in that way again the filter should be upside down like it's right now. So I don't know, man. I am so tired of this thing. I even sent them pictures from the web. I read so many posts, people saying this should be put horizontally with this part down in order for the debris to stay there. Or vertically if the water flow is from up to down and this part is inverted as well. In that case, because it needs to have the same direction of that arrow. Oh, man. Furthermore, let's see, 18mm pipes here, so they have been replaced. These were left like 15mm. You can see the way it was bent right there. And left like that. The valves are from ferro, but they overtaxed me. Right here we have a copper pipe. Thank God I have this Fernox magnetic filter that will keep everything, but in stuff like this the Y filter is pointless. I mean, it's just, it doesn't do its job. Anyway, I don't think they made anything on this part. On that side I see that they cut the pipes, so from here, and they will place new ones starting from here at the same level. This time will be the correct one. More copper pipes of 18 millimeters in diameter. Excuse me, really, like I said, I only slept 4 hours last night. I couldn't sleep after I saw yesterday's work, plumbing work, so called. Yeah. And all the pipes will come to here. Here I will put the my initial radiator, and then the small radiator I had here will be taken all the way up in that corner where I used to have issues with the mold. And basically they will add the double pipes, copper pipes, all the way on this wall, and this will create some kind of a heat barrier, which will also warm up the entire wall. Not to mention the second radiator, the small one placed there, will be really perfect. So yeah, guys, this is pretty much it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you'll never have to go through a capital renovation, at least not in the near future, because it really takes a toll on your nerves. I wish you all the best, and I'll catch you in the next videos. Take care wherever you are.